guys on YouTube, Dubman here. Just doing another truck, as you can see the back of. It's a Mercedes-Benz 2228, which means it's 22 gross weight tonnes and 280 horsepower in it. And goes pretty good. I'll just show you at the front. Of course, as you can see, 22, 28 and Mercedes-Benz. And I'll just show you in this thing. Just put you guys right here. As I just jump in. Jeez. Alright, back in here. As I've been in here about 5 or 6 times trying to do a video, but I might offend people with some of the stuff I've been saying about, I'm not going to talk about it, but I got a UHF up here and a massive cassette player, and I think it's a 13 or a 16 speed gearbox, massive steering wheel, and I never can get in the front seat, like the driver's seat of it, so when I do, I have to jump through this passenger seat and jump through over this and all that. And I'll just put you down here. I'll be 2 seconds again. Just gotta jump out. Okie dokie. Just show you how she sounds when the door shuts. Sounds pretty good. Alright, as I said before, I can't jump in, so I'm going to have to record from outside the driver's door here. As you can see, these 3 switches here, that's all the back here, so then if you got like grain on you, you just switch it up and all that, and got its handbrake right here, linker's right there as you can see, and pretty good truck. It's about 30 years old, and telling you this, it goes like it's about 10 years old. It's pretty good. Yeah, alright, bye peoples.